The secret of your health depends on the right kind of fiber you use in your diet. Try including fiber rich food as much as you can. Today, bringing you a nostalgic recipe, Kashmiri Kulcha with Kahwa chai. I'm not preparing it the authentic way, but it is very close to the authentic way. These crispy kulchas with kahwa chai will make your day. These are made with whole wheat, so you can eat without guilt. Let's proceed towards the recipe. For the recipe, take 2 cups of whole wheat. I'll show you the packet. I am using whole wheat chakki fresh atta. Take 2 full cups. For kneading the dough, we need water, so 1 cup of water is required to knead the dough. The secrets of good breads, puris, parathas lie in the way the dough is kneaded. Kneading of the dough is the secret. Here I am taking 1 cup of water. I'll boil this water with fennel seeds. Fennel seeds or saunf, they are full of antioxidants and have digestive properties also. That may be the reason the local bakers in Kashmir use this. So without the fennel seeds, it will not give that flavor. As I told earlier, this is a nostalgic recipe. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 4 teaspoons, 4 teaspoons of ghee. We're a family of 4, so for 2 cups of wheat, 4 teaspoons of ghee are enough. As you may have noticed, I added salt in the water. I had kept these 2 spoons of curd outside refrigerator for 2 to 3 days and it has become sour. You can also add this. I had also kept this dough. This is proven dough. Naturally, yeast has grown in it. This will act as a Khambeer for this kulcha. Any bakery needs yeast, so this is a naturally proven yeast. Water along with the saunf or fennel seeds is getting boiled, leaving all the flavors and nutrition in the water. Now it's time to knead the dough. Here I will like to mention that first mix all the ghee and soda properly and also this proven dough. Mix all the dry ingredients well and it will come as a breadcrumb consistency. As you can notice, it should come together like this. Now it's time to add water. Wheat has a protein called gluten. When we knead it, the structure comes well. Those who are allergic to gluten should avoid having wheat because it may lead to various problems, celiac disease, or other nutritional or digestive problems. I realized while making the dough that I may not require this much of water, so I have strained the fennel because without fennel seeds it will not taste the authentic kulcha. I'm already making it with whole wheat flour. Authentically, it's made with Maida, refined flour. So here I'm healthifying the kulcha. Taste is the same, but health point is doubled. Knead the dough a little bit tight. We don't need very soft dough. We need a tight dough like you make for puris. By kneading it properly, it helps the gluten to form. Knead it well and cover it, and then here we are applying a little bit dash of ghee again and cover it properly and let it rest in a dark place. I had already kept curd for setting, so I'll keep it here till I finish my other chores. I do this early in the morning, the first thing in the morning. After an hour, you can see dough has risen a little bit. Now divide it into equal proportions, equal balls, so that kulchas can be made out of it. In Kashmir, there is a special ovens for it, earthen ovens, and in Jammu also. My mom was never so fond of all this bakery, but this reminds of those days when there were get-togethers and parties or functions. I have here lined air fryer. I'll make this recipe two-way in an air fryer and in a kadhai also. I was thinking how to give that design, so I used this grater for giving the design on the kulchas. So isn't it looking the same? Let it bake, let it get baked properly, and you'll see. Now place all the kulchas to be baked on the baking tray or on the air fryer. You can also bake them in your oven at 200 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, but keep on checking. Here I have lined almost 6 to 7 kulchas. Grease them well again and apply some ghee. Ghee is good for assimilation of vitamin D and vitamin E. Here I will show you how to make these kulchas in kadhai or any heavy bottomed pan. This is an iron kadhai and it will also impart some iron to the kulchas. It's healthy cooking. So if you don't have this kadhai or iron pan, you can use your regular pan. It should be heavy bottomed, or you can use the pressure cooker. It will take almost 20 minutes for it to get baked. In the meantime, we love this with Kashmiri pink tea or kahwa. I don't have leaves of either of them. All the stock has last. Here I'll require cinnamon, cardamom and black pepper. I have ground this coarsely. In the meantime, checking onto our kulchas, they are looking yum. Keep checking in between, and yeah, as you can see, these have become a little bit fluffy. Kahwa is boiling. Crush some almonds in my stone crusher. Also, keep some saffron handy. At this stage, I like to strain the spices because when they come in mouth, kids don't like it. Plus, I don't want to strain the kesar later. You'll come to know why I strained. Also, add these crushed almonds. It's becoming very nutritious drink with the goodness of kesar, full of antioxidants. Kesar is goodness of almonds. In the meantime, you can see how crunchy, crispy, and how well baked these kulchas have come from the oven. This is somewhat similar to litti chokha. Litti is stuffed one. We don't use sugar. I have poured some jaggery powder, half teaspoon of jaggery powder in each cup. Now we don't need to strain. That's why I had strained it earlier. Kesar and almonds both are edible. We want this kahwa to be chewy. It also needs kahwa leaves, but I am out of stock till my stocks reach from Jammu. So this is it. Here kulcha is also done. I have shown you both the ways. You can see there is no difference between both have turned so crispy, golden, crunchy and yummy too. This is simple breakfast one can ever have. Enjoy this in sunshine. See how beautifully they are baked. Add some butter and enjoy it with some sunshine, kahwa and kulcha, a Kashmiri way. Authentic Kashmiri recipe healthified with the use of Maida and ghee. These are the authentic tandoors, ovens, and there is variety of rotis or bakery. This is how it looks inside the oven and how well they are baked inside the oven. These are telvur. I will definitely show you the telvur recipe in my next upload. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. Share with your friends who are the Kashmiri cooking lovers, and you should try it once. Thanks a lot. God bless all.